Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Dear students, today we will explore the concept of more or few. Our subject is maths. This subject is of numbers. Children, see what is more. You can see here two balls in my hand. Which ball has more sweets, more candies? This ball has more candies and this has few candies. I can say less and few words are same. In this picture, this tree has more apples and this tree has few apples. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here are 10 apples and in this tree 1, 2, 3, 4 apples. It means 4 apples are less apples. Here is one activity for us to do. We have to color the animal which has more dots on its body. Children, let us see that which animal has more dots. Without counting, it is very clear this animal has more dots. We will color this animal. And here is an activity to tick the one. Here are two baskets. We have to tick the one which has less objects. In this basket, there are more fruits. And in this basket there are less fruits and we will tick this basket. Here again in this box here are only two colors. In this box are more colors and we have to tick the one which has less objects. Children, now this concept is of more or few is over. Children, now let us learn the concept of greater than and less than. Dear students, I will tell you what is greater. See. And this is symbol of lesser. And this is symbol of equal. But we have to learn the symbols what they are denoting. Here are two crocodiles. The symbol of greater than is this. The symbol of less than is this. Think of the above symbols as a crocodile with an open mouth. See, greater than, less than. Always remember that the crocodile likes to eat the more numbers, greater numbers. He will not like to eat less numbers. That's why when we have to put symbol of greater, then we will put this symbol. And when we have to put the equal number, then just let me show you what is equal. First let me complete the less than. This is of less than. Now I will show you numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Children, when we do counting, then 1 is for 1 object, 2 is for 2 object, 3 is for 3 object, 4 is for 4 objects. Same way we will do the others. Now we have to know if 4 is written here, this side 7 is written here, then which symbol we will put here? We will put here symbol of less than, because crocodile's mouth will go to eat more number. That's why mouth is open to greater number. Okay. Now children, let us do one activity here. See, here are 4 glasses of milk. Let us see which glass has less milk. I think this glass has less milk. And compared to this glass, This glass has more milk. Now in other two glasses, we have to see that both glasses have the quantity of same and number is also same. It means they are equal to each other. ये दोनों आपस में बराबर हैं. When there any objects are equal, then we will put the sign of this. Two lines are also always telling the same number. Same. See, these bottles are same. These bottles are same. You can see these bottles are same. There is no difference. And which sign we will put? We will put this sign. It is of equal. Children, now let us do again. Now let us count the sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means in both groups toffees are same. And which symbol we will put here? We will put here symbol of equal. It means that 5 is equal to 5. 5 is same as this 5. Both are same and we will put this symbol for equal to. I hope now this concept is clear to you. Now let me tell you the concept of greater, lesser. Okay? Sorry, bigger or smaller. See, here are 3 teddies. Here are 3 teddies. Now, which teddy is small? This is small. This is also small. And this is big. But when we are doing comparison of bigger and smaller, then this is biggest. This is biggest and this is small and this is smallest. This is smallest. सबसे छोटा. ठीक है? But now I am telling you next thing. See, all teddies are small. All teddies are small. Which is smallest? This is smallest. This is smallest. And this is small. This is small. Smaller than this. This is small. This is smaller. And this is smallest. Children, now we will do exercises in our book on page number 52 to 60 through 63. Now I will tell you in part 2 video. You have to learn this concept. After that it will be very easy to do in your book. Bye bye children. Thank you. Have a nice day.